Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the Inkey List's Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. Looks like this. The Inkey List kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing to my channel if you love product reviews. The Inkey List describes this as a velvety moisturizer that was created to defend against the visible signs of aging, powered by bioactive ceramides for visible fine line and wrinkle reduction. You can find this moisturizer at the inkeylist.com and sephora.com. A 1.7 ounce unit just like this retails for $20. And I personally think that this may be the most affordable moisturizer that I have reviewed here on my channel. The Inkey List suggests that you use this morning and evening. You want to massage this onto the face and neck, and you must follow with an SPF if you are using this during the day. I love that this product does not contain loads and loads of ingredients, which I think is what makes it affordable. It is also fragrance-free and drying alcohol-free. It is not, however, full of the best ingredients available, but it does contain some good ingredients. We see glycerin, shea butter, and ceramide NP, alongside other hydrating, anti-aging ingredients. The ceramide here is an anti-aging, hydrating ceramide that is naturally found in your skin. This specific ceramide helps to improve the look and feel of dry, dehydrated skin, as it helps the skin to retain water. It also helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. We see shea butter, an ingredient often seen in moisturizers for its anti-aging, hydrating, skin-soothing benefits. This is an antioxidant that also improves dry skin. I first used this on January 20th, and I noted that it felt like a less expensive version of Proteini Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. I felt like it instantly plumped, hydrated, and left the skin slightly tacky. After days of using this nightly, I did note that it sinks into the skin very nicely overnight, as I never woke up with a filmy layer over the skin. I found this to be moisturizing and nourishing. It did not overly congest my pores or cause any additional breakouts. As the nights and mornings got cooler, I would also use this under sunscreen for workouts and felt nourished, balanced, and moisturized. This never pilled, no matter what serum or sunscreen I used. At one point during the test, it did feel as if this was similar to Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil face butter. I will link my review to that product up above. This moisturizer, however, is a lot more basic. It's simple. It has the tiniest amount of anti-aging ingredients, but I still feel that the Josie Maran formula is a lot more luxurious, not only in its glass packaging, but also in its formula and just how it feels over the skin. This, again, is simple. It does not have a luxe feeling at all, and it's affordable. Now, I want to compare this to the last moisturizer I reviewed here on my channel. It is the Drunk Elephant Bora Barrier Repair Cream. Both formulas claim to repair, but have different ingredients and feel completely different over the skin. The more expensive formula, Bora Barrier, contains some of the best ingredients available, a little over 32. It is loaded with the best anti-agers, the best hydrating ingredients, and it's full of ceramides, and it supports ceramide and hyaluronic acid production. This, after personal use, I think works best on dry, very dry, mature skin. On my normal skin, I think it just works best as a nighttime moisturizer. And it does not have much of a slip to it, but it sinks beautifully into the skin. Now, Inkey List moisturizer. We see around 4 of the best ingredients available here, paired with well over a handful of good ingredients. There are some anti-aging benefits in this product, but again, very minimal. There are more hydrating ingredients within this formula above anything else. There is a nice slip to the Inkey List unit, but there is no way that I can massage this over the skin for well over 5 minutes. Sometimes when I am feeling incredibly tired or I've had like a stressful day, I will massage a moisturizer into the skin in upward motions, and I do not feel that I can do that with this particular product. However, it does sink into the skin nicely and quite fast, I think. Whereas Bora Barrier would only work on my skin during like peak winter months or on tretinoin nights. The Inkey List unit, I feel like, would work on my skin year round, morning or evening. I do also want to mention that in the beginning of this test, I was using Bora Barrier during tretinoin nights. And then in the last 2 to 3 weeks, I did use this with my tretinoin and it worked just as well. From use, I have noticed plump, supple, smooth, hydrated, nourished skin. That despite the harsh kind of cold, wet weather, my skin hasn't felt excessively flaky or tight or dry. At nights where it is really cold, I would feel as if this would instantly plump and smooth the skin with moisture. This worked well with other affordable ranges, more expensive products as well without pilling or flaking. This worked well during the day under multiple sunscreens, and this also performed quite well under makeup, and it did not interfere at all with its performance. I will say that this has more of a natural finish to the skin. It does not add any additional glow or luminosity to the skin. So I do think that if you lean on the oily side, you may enjoy this morning and evening as well. And under makeup, if you do prefer more of a matte appearance to the skin, again, you can set with makeup. This worked well as nighttime moisturizer as well, but I have not been using my moisturizers with oils, at least not after Bora Barrier. I feel like my skin just hasn't needed oils that much this year. My favorite way to use this was as part of my hydrating routine. I would double cleanse with the Benefit Makeup Removing Oil, my vetted cleanser. I would follow it with the Aven Thermal Water, and then I would use my Medicate Hydrating Serum. I will link the review to that product up above in case you're looking for an excellent hydrating anti-aging serum. I am so close to emptying that product, however, that it is making me kind of sad. So then I would follow that with all of my favorite eye products. Then I'd apply a very generous layer of this product. Then I would finish everything off with a lip balm. Currently, my favorite lip balm is the FARMACY Lip Smoothie and Honey Vanilla. You can use my code Nadia20, saves you 20% at farmacybeauty.com. You can use it on anything. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a very small commission that just helps the channel out. While I would recommend the Drunk Elephant Moisturizer to very dry, mature skin who is showing the signs of aging and needs some barrier protection or repair, I would actually recommend this to someone in their 20s who's looking for a very basic skin strengthening moisturizing cream who is not yet showing the signs of aging. I think that this is best suited for those with plump, juicy skin, skin that has yet to lose their collagen and elastin, skin that may be a bit perhaps impaired or sensitive, who just can't tolerate moisturizers with essential oils or fragrance. I don't want to say that this minimized the signs of aging, and I do think that that is something that it claims to do, because to be honest, what did minimize the signs of aging in my routine while performing this test was my tretinoin prescription, my acid blends, my vitamin C serum, and my SPF. What this did for my skin, it nourished it, it moisturized it, it comforted, and it balanced it. I think that's what a moisturizer should do. Pros here: packaging. This can be recycled. I love that this is fragrance-free, drying alcohol-free. I think the price point here is perfect who are just starting their skincare journey, who are looking for a daytime and a nighttime moisturizer. I feel like this was very flexible on my aging normal skin, and I can imagine it also being quite flexible on 20-something-year-old skin. This kept my skin from peeling, flaking, looking or feeling irritated during the drier, cooler months. You know, we are getting loads of rain, so it's not that dry, but do note that I drive with the heat at like full blast, so there's a little dehydration. My cons here: that this is not best for those who are already showing the signs of aging. So if you are looking for a moisturizer that is jam-packed with anti-aging ingredients, this is not it. This is very basic, very affordable. If you're looking for a sensorial experience, looks, packaging, this is not it. Speaking of packaging, I have been loving moisturizers with airless pumps. For example, Drunk Elephant, Bora Barrier, airless pump. The product I will be reviewing next, the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Cream, airless pump. I feel like it just keeps things more sanitary. One pump, all you need. There is no guesswork like am I applying too much or am I applying too little? And it also keeps the ingredients from breaking down. So I am sure that an airless jar amps up the price. So I'm assuming just a very basic plastic jar such as this keeps the product costs down. Not a deal breaker, but I am listing it as a con. I personally cannot believe that I am actually going to say this, but I am rating this a 10 out of 10. I found this to be plumping, nourishing, and soothing, and smoothing as well, while it didn't contain as many anti-aging ingredients as I would personally now like. I am nearing my 40s. I'm 39. It did not make me look or feel older. It didn't make the fine lines and wrinkles look worse. This worked well with all of my other skincare products without pilling or flaking. And while I would not recommend this to those who are already visibly showing the signs of aging, deep lines, deep wrinkles, I would recommend this to those who are looking to add just a very basic, affordable, nourishing moisturizer to their routine. I think that this could be a great starter moisturizer. So if you are, you know, walking down the aisles of Sephora as a 20-something, you could probably give this a go. Obviously, you know, do a little back of hand swatch. I would not recommend directly putting anything from the Sephora tester directly onto the face. No. No, no, but I would perhaps try it on the back of your hand, see if you think it would work on your precious face. So let me know if you have tried this or anything else by the Inkey list in the comments down below. I will link my review to their retinol serum. I think that product I purchased myself, and I did give it a go, so I'll link my review to that in case you're looking for an affordable retinol product. Let me know if you have tried this. Would you recommend this to others? What is your skin type? What were your results? Let me know. Let us discuss down in the comment section. And thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like if you learned something new today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. To share my thoughts and opinions with you all